Okay, y'all, I'm about to try the Taki corn. I've been trying to get the blue one for 2 days and it out, so let's try this one. Bye. Okay, y'all, welcome back to the girls channel. It's Maya, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you return back to the channel. So y'all, I was gonna record my full lash appointment this morning, but I had went to a new girl and I didn't know how her policies work. However, she was cool about it, but I did film some footage on my camera where I was talking and telling y'all my point of view of the lashes. 10 out of 10, love them. She did so good, but my volume was off on the camera. However, yeah, I will see the final looks throughout the video, but just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, let's go get my hair did.
Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard him from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cost an arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me preg. I done it all. Feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, bitch your man know if you don't, what's happening? Just like to run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fast. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is giving fish. When I spin that bed, play that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke.
Oh, I had a ball this year. I'm having a ball next year. Then you
I had already knew or something like that, and I didn't think about it, girl, until after everything had happened. I'm just like, nah, if I wasn't being slow in the moment, you would have ruined it for me.
Right,
yes.
right.
I'm like, it wouldn't even been no fucking surprise.
The only thing I would feel some type of way about is if they
skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better, know you groove better than you do. Just call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to the weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want. Whatever we want. Whatever we want. It's the matter. You do whatever I want. Get whatever I want. Get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got, should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish. You got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Think dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that loved me. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm the side. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make it fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the distance, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
Long as we got
disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
I was trying to get the fake.
You was trying to get the one that I got.
That fake was. But
I got mine on Amazon.
Girl, but I didn't see look better being like that. But you know, you have to blow it out and then you have to like spray it.
Oh, I ain't have to do it.
Yeah, these right here, not the ones that's like reusable, like. Cause them the same ones, but you know they got some that's like a different material, and it's not these.
That's the
like,
material. The one that I got is the ones you wanted.
Yeah, because these right here, like, you can pull this stuff out and it'll be everywhere. So I had to, like, blow dry, spray hold and spray on it and stuff. So
That's
it wouldn't
too
shed.
much.
It was a lot, girl. And I only just went through with it because I had ordered it and I had waited so long for it to come.
I need your melody. You're like humanity, lonely humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need.
Oh yeah, the no baby hair. You like it without?
Yes, I do. I actually really do.
Yeah, I look grown. Back at it again.
Follow me on YouTube, Life with That Girl Taylor. Okay?
And I'm gonna have it at the bottom.
And Cash at home.
Cash at home. Chase at home too. Oh, bro, we could do a play date with the.
You talk about Jay.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that post notification bell. And make sure you return back to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.